What would you do if you were a hard-working farmer, throwing 70% of your entire harvest directly into the trash every single day? Watching your family business slide toward total bankruptcy because you were told your vegetables were simply too ugly to sell. This was the dark reality for one man. But instead of giving up, he grabbed a broken industrial potato peeler and reshaped his crops, and accidentally created a multi-billion-dollar global phenomenon. Hi, I'm Mohammed Jarrar, and welcome back to Broke to Billions. Today, we are opening the file on how a mountain of trash was turned into pure corporate gold. Let's see how he did it. Our story begins in the mid-1980s in California. Mike Urosek was a proud, multi-generational carrot farmer. He grew some of the sweetest carrots in the country, but he had a massive problem: the giant supermarket chains. Grocery stores had ridiculously strict cosmetic rules. If a carrot was slightly bent, twisted, too fat, or had a tiny blemish, the stores completely refused to buy it. They only wanted perfectly straight, flawless carrots. Every single one had to be perfect. Because of this, Mike was forced to dump thousands of tons of perfectly edible, nutritious carrots into the garbage pile every single day. He tried selling the excess as animal feed, but he had so many carrots that his pig's fat literally began to turn orange from their diet. He was wasting nearly 3/4 of his hard work and losing fortunes. He was literally watching his livelihood rot in the sun. By 1986, Mike knew he couldn't survive much longer. He looked at the massive mountain of rejected, ugly carrots, and he realized a profound truth. The taste was perfect, only the shape was wrong. He decided to change the packaging of nature. Mike went to a local frozen food factory and found something unexpected: a massive broken industrial potato peeling machine. He also bought a used green bean cutter. He was assembling a Frankenstein's monster of machinery to save his farm. He brought it back to his farm, spent days fixing it, and loaded it with his ugly, twisted carrots. The work was grueling. The heavy blades cut and shaved the flawed vegetables down into neat, smooth, tiny 2-inch pieces. The transformation was starting. He packed these mini carrots into small, clear plastic bags and officially labeled them baby carrots, a simple name for a big idea. Mike sent a few trial bags to a local supermarket chain, hoping they would just give it a try. He didn't know what to expect. What happened next completely shocked the agricultural world. The bags vanished from the shelves instantly. They were gone. Parents and children went absolutely crazy for them. Why? Because Mike had unknowingly solved a massive consumer problem: convenience. People loved baby carrots because they were pre-washed and bite-sized. Carrot consumption in the US jumped by 30%. But success brought new challenges. Consumers noticed a white film on the carrots, which they feared was chemical residue. There was public panic. Rumors spread that the carrots were soaked in chlorine or covered in a mysterious powder. Mike had to act fast. In reality, it was just dehydration. Mike worked with experts to develop breathable bags that kept the carrots fresh for weeks. He collaborated with researchers at UC Davis to create special polyethylene bags that allowed oxygen in but kept moisture locked away. The industry even began breeding a new type of carrot, the cello carrot, longer, thinner, and sweeter, specifically for the baby cut process. By the 1990s, giants like Bolthouse and Grimway took notice. They dominated the market, turning the baby carrot into a global staple. Today, the average American eats 14 pounds of carrots every year. That is more than double what they ate before Mike's invention. Grocery stores that once rejected Mike's crops were now begging him for more. The farmer was now the king of the industry. Mike Urosek didn't just save his farm from bankruptcy. He revolutionized the global food industry forever. His simple invention fueled the entire grab-and-go health craze of the 90s, changing how we snack and how we view convenience. Today, baby carrots make up the vast majority of all carrot sales worldwide, proving that inside your biggest problem lies a hidden fortune. If you want to unlock more incredible, hidden business blueprints, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. I am Mohammed Jarrar, and this is Broke to Billions. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more success stories.